How to play Roblox on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can play Roblox on your PC. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So there are two ways you can play Roblox on your Windows device. So the first is by simply going to its website. All you need to do is head over to roblox.com, hit enter, and after you hit enter, you'll get redirected to Roblox. Now right here, all you need to do is sign in with your account and then you can start gaming. Now that is the first way. The second way in which you can play Roblox is by simply downloading the app. To do that, simply head over to Microsoft Store. And after you open up a Microsoft Store, simply go to the search bar and search for Roblox. Now let us do that. And after you search for Roblox, this should open up right here. As you see, this is Roblox. All you need to do is install this. And after you install this, you can simply tap on play and open it up. Again, log in into your account and then start playing. So yeah, those are the ways you can play Roblox on your Windows device. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.